Getting a drain cover to perfectly match a pool finish can be difficult, but AquaStar Pool Products has the solution. Now, it's never been easier to get the perfect match. Introducing the Perfect Circle, a VGBA 2017 approved single unblockable submerged suction outlet. The Perfect Circle is a flush application, eliminating automatic pool cleaners from getting stuck, and is the perfect solution for sport pools and spa floors to prevent toe stubbing. The Perfect Circle includes a 4-port PVC sump that can be used with up to 3 pumps and a hydrostatic relief valve. The outlet is designed for uniform flow through the cover and hydraulically balanced piping. The Perfect Circle comes with everything you need for new construction, including a plaster shield to help protect the sump against slurry during the installation process. Sold separately is our 2-inch threaded hydrostatic relief valve, which can thread into any of the 4 ports. Installed for its safety, known for its beauty, choose the Perfect Circle now for the perfect suction outlet solution.